Let's see. Tomorrow is our Christmas party. Diba? And I have all of the gifts from my classmates. Then I just opened this up. And this is the one that I get from the I don't know. I got my scissors. So let's first do this. This is from Kian Earth.
Why do I keep hitting the ground? No.
It's a bag. From Heartstrings.
Come on.
It's a bag.
Why?
Next, I got this from Gia. From Gia to me. From Gia. Let's open.
Oh shoot! What? No. Why? Got an idea.
It's a fuzzy bag. Super soft fuzzy bag. See how fuzzy that is? Princess.
Wow.
Princess. It's a sling bag. Thank you, Gia. Okay. Next, we have from Nina.
Come on.
I'm gonna cover my name so you don't know my name. This is from Nina, my super best friend. She knows everything.
Yes.
She knows everything. She knows everything me. So, I told her what's my favorite color. My favorite color is mint green. And Gia knows what kind of thing I want. So I said fuzzy things.
Oh shoot!
And this from Nina, I don't know what it is. It's super little. She gave me one of these, and maybe it's one of these. Maybe it's one of these. So let's open. No. No.
Ow. What? Ow.
She definitely know what's my favorite.
Man.
It's
Ow.
this.
Ow.
Kinda
Ow.
covered in me. It's this. It's a mint green bluish flower ponytail. The one has a flower on, the one doesn't have. I know it's from this. I know.
Yes.
But this is a little bit bluer. More than. Let me. This is a little bit more lighter more than this. A little bit lighter.
Oh shoot, please don't do that. Please don't.
But my favorite color is both. It's mostly both of them. Mostly. Thank you.
Oh!
So, this one is from Beauty, but I already opened it up last night. So, it's a... Wait. Okay.
Oh!
It's a DIY color though, but there's already those inside. There's like white, red, yellow, blue. There's a roller and the knife thing and some cutters. But some of them are perfect for Christmas because Christmas is like very near. So Christmas tree, gingerbread man or a man, whatever you want to call it. Butterfly, horse or dog, I don't know, flower, fish. So this is a Disney one. My friend KD has the Elsa one, the Frozen. And I got the Disney Princess. Disney.
Don't take damage.
So you open it from the other side, not on the top. Open it up. So she got this. I got this. Mostly the same.
Hello. Back off.
That's the inside. Some of them are whole, some of them are not. So it's a sticky. You don't need to cut, just need to put this up and pour it. So camera. Okay. I get the camera now. So we got the flower.
Wait. Ow, why? Ow. What?
Then we got the horse or a dog. I don't know.
What the hell?
We got the butterfly. Of course, both of them has holes. These two have holes, except for the other ones, like this flower. So we have a fish. It's like Dory fish. Next, these are good for Christmas. This is a like gingerbread man or a man, whatever you want to call. So chubby.
Ow.
Then we have the cutest one.
Ow.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree. I'm covering my hands because the light here is beaming. See the light there? It's beaming. There, now you can see the beaming light. Okay, so I got the Christmas tree. I got the Christmas tree. And here are the tools. These are the knife. This part is the knife. Focus. Doesn't want to focus. Anyway, this is the knife. This part is the hot dog griller, I guess. This part is the smoother, or anything you wanna call. Next is this like rolling pin, like a rolling pin. With the rolling pin. Of course it rolls.
Oh, yes.
And here are the colors of the dough. We
Ow.
have the blue. I'm gonna cut the blue right now when I use it. It's like it's squishy. We have the red. Blue or reds are in the Philippine flag. This.
Ow.
We have a neon yellow.
Stop.
I don't know if you can see, but in the camera it looks like it's yellow.
Yes. No, stop.
What is this one? It's neon.
Oh, wait.
We have white. This is all. And I got my shish. And maybe tomorrow I'll cut it because we're gonna leave. We're gonna leave. We're gonna leave. Because we're gonna buy something. I'm gonna buy something when it's Christmas, 25 or 24. Because I have like 1,050. My brother has 1,000 only. Okay, bye-bye. Gingerbread. I look like a gingerbread man. Okay, bye.